Hello, this is the video for graded assignment week 10. The objective of week 10 is to use Google Vertex AI to fine tune a cost efficient MNE 2.0 Flash model, convert Iris dataset in, into convert Iris dataset into LLM friend text format and train to version V1 raw numeric prompt format and V2 descriptive natural language format and incorporate evaluation metrics to compare the two versions. Now first I have loaded the Iris dataset. As you can see, first I have loaded some variables, the project ID, bucket, data region, tuning region, and created a data week 10 folder, and then loaded the Iris datasets and then divided into two versions, version 1 and version 2 as described in the graded assignment. Roman numeric format, sepal length is sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and in the V2 the descriptive natural language. The iris flower has a sepal length of and petal length of 1.7 petal width. Uh, Exported datasets are proper as Gemini SF50 JSON with required content formats. As you can see, the required format uses content, role, user, part, text, and prompt, and role model, part, text, and label. This is important because Gemini SF50 reserve message. If there is a message is written, then Gemini will reject it. It must use content. This fixed the real error faced, which I have faced the 400 error missed required missing required content field. And then I have fine-tuned to tuning jobs, Iris SF51 training using numeric perf and Iris SF52 training using descriptive perf. Both job are succeeded and epochs is 40 and base model is Gemini 2.001. Intermediate checkpoint is enabled and output model ID is generated. As you can see, here I have created the version 1 and version 2 and then uploaded in my bucket, and then here I have trained both model. This is that version 1. As you can see, accuracy and number of prediction and loss. As you can see, at 5% there is loss, and at 10% there is almost zero loss. And the same for the version 2. As you can see, at 11 13% there is zero loss, and here you can see the number of production 480, 479, and 30% 478, and here you can see the accuracy of the model. The checkpoint 9 have accuracy of 0.99, and same for the checkpoint 9 is in the version 1, the accuracy is 0.998. They have almost same accuracy, same loss, and same number of prediction. Well, not same number of prediction, but almost same number of prediction in all checkpoints. In checkpoint 8, as you can see, that the 4 has 75 data sets are used for training, and in checkpoint 8, as you can see, we have 65 training data sets are used to predict. You can see the checkpoint IDs. I have tried to train use these models and generate the output. As you can see, I have predicted the raw format and created the test data set, and then as you can see there is some outputs generated. Example 1, example 2, analysis, prediction, given the combination of measurement, especially the relative path, the prediction is Iris virginica, while the petal length. But here, as you can see, my token limit is exhausted, 429 resources exhausted. So I have completed almost everything, just the test part is remaining. But I have completed the number of true label is used 30, and V1 is predicted is 24, and V2 is not predicted as my resources exhausted. So no accuracy scores, and we can't compare between them, but I can compare by the training monitor present in these models. Dataset is 120 messages, and here you can see the details for the both models. This is what I have written in my PPT, that I have compared a model for prediction V1 V2, build prompt for test samples and extracted the predicted species, and inference API for 29 resource occur after 24 V1 prediction. Video produced 0 prediction before talk. Evaluation matrix is implemented uh, through prediction, and metrics computed when prediction available. V prediction is 24 generated and V2 is 0 generated. Comparison is required and equals to 0, so evaluation was not completed. Evaluation pipeline is complete and correct, but cloud quota prevented full execution. Result summary: successful completion of the Gemini SFT dataset prepared, fine tuning completed, version prediction plus evaluation logic implemented, comparison framework ready, blocked components, full independence due to interference due to what is CI 429 exhausted, V2 prediction cannot be generated. Conclusion: the experiment demonstrate how prompt formatting affect LLM performance. The pipeline include dataset transforming, SFT fine-tuning, and model learning and inference, evaluation and comparison. Although inference quota limited full result, the architecture code and evaluation framework fully satisfy week 10 requirements. Thank you. That's all from my side.